Hello everyone, I am going to unboxing Pro'sKit protective function analog multimeter. The box looks like this. There's the price, Kingdom Electric. Their features. Side. The bottom of the box. Okay, nothing to show. Okay, let's open and unbox. Okay. Wait. Hold on. Later. Okay. Give one Panasonic 9-volt battery. To another one is Panasonic 1.5-volt battery. The cable red and black, and of course they give me.
Is this a battery? Oh yeah, it's a battery. Rechargeable, right?
No.
Hey bro, you see 9-volt. What the?
Okay,
Here
we are. This thing.
Battery. Put battery first.
Hold on. We will show this first. This one is very lightweight, but very. I think it's 2 cm or more. Wait. This one is clocking. Okay, that's all for now. Nothing else. Okay.